morning. This is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Ningninem Hangsing. President Nath Kovind felicitated Indore as India's cleanest city for fifth time in a row, and Chhattisgarh was given the Cleanest State Award during the Swachh Amrit Mahotsav in New Delhi yesterday. The president expressed happiness that the award was given, taking feedback of over 5 crore people and through public participation. He congratulated the people of the country as there has been a massive change in the thought process towards cleanliness. Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan said that the provisions of the National Education Policy NEP 2020 will be implemented in the northeastern states at the earliest and would provide multidisciplinary and holistic education in the local languages or in the mother tongue of a student at the early stages of learning. He was speaking at the Northeast Education Conclave at Guwahati yesterday. The Union Minister said NEP has given a new pathway on mother tongue. He said that every language will get its importance and it will prove that diversity of our language is the unifying factor of our civilization. Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE yesterday jointly launched an online certificate course on experiential learning for the 21st century for Eklavya Model Residential School and CBSE teachers. It was jointly launched by Secretary, Ministry of Tribal Affairs Anil Kumar Jha and CBSE Chairman Manoj Ahuja. The certificate course is for capacity building of educators to achieve the aims of National Education Policy 2020. The Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award this year was awarded to acclaimed Hungarian filmmaker Istvan Szabo and American filmmaker Martin Scorsese at the 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India underway in Goa. In video messages, Szabo thanked the Indian film community for having recognized his work. Scorsese referred to Satyajit Ray as one of his masters. Renowned actress and Member of Parliament Hema Malini also received the Indian Film Personality of the Year award at the ceremony. The weekly COVID-19 sample positivity rate in Nagaland was 1.8% and has remained below 5% for the last 14 weeks. According to State Health and Family Welfare Department, 67 new cases from 3,750 samples were reported along with 3 COVID-19 deaths. In the last 5 weeks, the state recorded an average of 4.4 COVID-19 deaths weekly. In its weekly bulletin, the department said 87% of COVID-19 deaths are unvaccinated. Fully vaccinated deaths constitute only 1.5% of all COVID-19 deaths in the second wave. Health and Family Welfare Department said that 12.51 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered in the state. 1,02,450 beneficiaries are overdue for the second dose. The department stated full protection by the vaccine will only be effective 2 weeks after the second dose and is critical for preventing hospitalization and death. A new feature, Know Your Vaccination Status, has been enabled on the Kovind digital platform. This will help to verify or retrieve a citizen's vaccination status and details as per the authorized rights of the verifying entity by Kovind and Health Ministry. The service could be utilized by a service provider for facilitating a service requested by the citizen. Union Health Ministry in a statement said that the service can be utilized by travel agencies and help making travel safe for individuals by allowing travel only for vaccinated individuals. Employers can use this service to verify vaccination status of employees and resume the functions in offices and workplaces. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.